4. The story of early man. Hello students. The life of early man was very hard. He spent their life in caves. As food and clothes are the basic necessities of humans, he started wrapping tree leaves and animal skin over his body to protect himself from cold and heat. Early man started killing small animals for food, but he could not kill large animals with his bare hands. So he used sharp-edged stones to kill animals. He found that if he tied a sharp stone to a long piece of wood, he could throw it to a wild animal at a longer distance, and he did not require to go near it to kill. This was the invention of a spear. With time, he discovered many good things like fire, tools, farming, navigation, etc. that made his life better. In this lesson, you will learn about the story of early man.
Unit 4. The story of early man. The life of the early man is different from the man of present day. He was very uncivilized and lived almost like an animal in the forest. There was not much difference between the early man and the animal except the physical shape. The early man lived in jungles. He had nothing of his own. He was very afraid of the lions, tigers, elephants, etc. The animals were stronger and more powerful than him. The man lived in caves. Food was his main problem. He moved from one place to another in search of food. He collected the fruits of trees and roots. He killed small animals and birds. He ate raw flesh. It was very difficult for him to catch the animals and kill them. He needed some weapons or tools to kill the animals.
Early man also used stones with sharp edges. He also used sharp and pointed wooden sticks. He kept on improving the tools to become a good hunter.
He made a spear by cutting the branch of the tree and tying a short stone to it. Early man protected himself from cold by wrapping the leaves. He scared the animals with fire. He enjoyed fire and was also scared of it. In order to make fire, he used twigs and dry leaves. He also made fire by rubbing the two stones together. One day, a piece of raw flesh fell into the fire and got roasted. From then on, he started even cooking his food. Early man saw some seeds growing into plants. This made him to start growing his own food. There were many developments in his life. Slowly, he learned to plow and till the land which made him a farmer. He started taming animals and used them in many ways. He used cows, sheep, and goats as domestic animals. He made huts with the branches of trees and skins of animals and started to live and made sheds for his animals too.
Early man had become a farmer. He had a lot of free time which he used to sing and dance, and started expressing his feelings through his paintings.
Moving from one place to another was a problem to him. So he managed to tie few sticks together to form a sledge. He used the animals to move the sledge. He found some logs of wood floating on water. He used those logs and tied them with creepers and made a raft which was just like a boat. Later on he invented wheel. After some time he developed the wheel to make pots. Now man has made a great progress with science and technology. Let's revise the important points. 1. Early man lived in jungles. Food was his problem. 2. He made tools with stones. He learned to till the land and became a farmer. 3. Early man later lived in huts and learned to domesticate animals. 4. He made sledges and rafts and also he invented the wheel. 5. Now, in the modern times, man has made a great progress with science and technology. Do these. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understandings. 1. Mention any two uses of fire to early man. Answer. He scared the animals and started cooking food with fire. 2. How did early man make a spear? Answer. He made a spear by cutting the branch of tree and tying a short stone to it. 3. How did early man become a farmer? Answer. Early man saw some seeds growing into plants. This made him to start growing his own food. There were many developments in his life. Slowly he learned to plow and till the land which made him a farmer. 4. What was the food of early man? Answer. The food of early man was fruits of trees and roots and raw flesh of animals and birds. 5. How did the idea of boat come to the mind of early man? Answer. He found some logs of wood floating on water. He used those logs and tied them with creepers and made a raft which was just like a boat. 2. Fill in the blanks choosing the words from the help box. Conceptual understanding. 3. State whether the statements are true T or false F. Conceptual understanding. 4. Project work. Ask the students to collect the pictures showing the life of early man and stick them in their project book.